Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I am going to show you how to scan your C drive for error and optimize performance using the built-in Windows property tool. Follow these steps, okay? Now press Windows plus E. Now click on File Explorer. After this, click on C drive. Click on Properties. Now you see here tool option. Now click on Tool. There is the option to check drive. Okay, now click on check. Okay, there is the option to scan drive. Now click on scan drive. Now scanning drive for errors. Okay, it's take a time. Wait for complete this scan. Okay, the scan is in progress. A windows will appear a event. It say you don't need to scan this drive. You can click scan drive and scan drive to perform a manual check. Okay, now you need to scan this drive. You click on scan drive. Okay, if error found, Windows will ask you to restart your computer to repair them. Now you see your drive was successfully scanned. Okay, no error found. Close this. That's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.